But okay, cool. So we've deployed our contract. We've automatically, programmatically verified our contract. What's next? Well, what did we do last time? We started interacting with the contract. So let's do const current value equals await simple storage.retrieve to get the current value. Simple storage.sol. We have a retrieve function which returns the favorite number. So let's get the current value, and we'll do console.log current value is, and then some string interpolation current value. And then we'll go ahead and update the current value by doing const transaction response equals await simple storage dot store. We'll store the number 7, and then we'll await transaction response dot wait. We'll wait 1 block for that transaction to go through, and we'll grab the updated value by saying const updated value equals await simple storage dot retrieve, and then we'll do console.log updated value is updated value. Awesome. And this is going to be our whole script. So if I can zoom out for a little bit, I know it'll be a little bit small here. We've got this huge main function, which does what? Well, it deploys our contract. If we're on a test net, it then verifies our contract, and then it updates the value to 7. And we have our verify function down here, and we have a section of our code that calls our main function. Now, if I run this on the Hardhat network, what do you think will happen? Well, let's try it. Yarn, Hardhat run, scripts, deploy.js. All right, awesome. We get exactly what we saw before. We get deploying contract, deployed contract 2, current value is 0, updated value is 7. And there's nothing in here about verification. That's exactly what we want. Now, moment of truth, let's try this on Rinkeby. We'll do yarn, Hardhat run scripts, deploy.js, -- network, Rinkeby. And it's going to go a lot slower because obviously now we're deploying to an actual test net where the blocks actually need to be mined. And we see we have indeed deployed the contract. Now that our contract is deployed, we know that we're currently waiting 6 block confirmations for us to go ahead and verify. And actually I should add console.log waiting for block TXs, ... so that we don't get kind of this weird, oh, wait, what are we doing now?